In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize your projects and folders inside spaces. Imagine your workspace as a virtual room where all your files, projects, and tasks are neatly arranged. This helps enhance productivity and makes it much easier to find what you're looking for, saving both time and effort. So let's dive in. First, it's important to understand that spaces are your main work areas. Think of spaces as separate containers where you can organize different aspects of your work or even different projects. Whether you're working on multiple projects or managing various components within a single project, spaces provide a flexible structure to keep everything orderly and accessible. To start organizing, consider what projects or categories benefit from having their own dedicated space. Once you've decided, create a new space for each of these projects or categories. This not only keeps things organized, but also allows you to focus and work without distractions that might come from unrelated tasks or files. Now, let's move on to organizing projects and folders within these spaces. Inside each space, you have the ability to create distinct folders that suit the needs of your project. Think of folders as specific drawers where you store related tasks, documents, or files. For instance, if you have a space dedicated to a marketing campaign, you might create folders for graphics, content drafts, and reports. This keeps materials grouped together logically, which can be particularly helpful if you need to share the space with a team or refer back to things at a later date. Once your folders are set up, you can start adding projects to them. Each project represents a set of tasks or a particular goal you're working towards. When you're adding projects to a folder, think about how they'll fit into the larger scope of work contained within that folder. This helps in maintaining a clear overview and ensures you're not scattering your efforts across too many areas at once. In addition to grouping similar items, you might want to consider how you name your folders and projects. Clear, descriptive names can drastically reduce the time spent looking for files. As a best practice, establish a consistent naming convention across your spaces. This might be as simple as including a date or categorizing by urgency or type. Consistency is key because it makes the navigation intuitive and coherent, especially if others are collaborating with you in these spaces. Lastly, periodically review and tidy these spaces. Over time, you might find that some folders become redundant, or the organization structure needs an update as project parameters change. Set aside some time regularly to declutter and reevaluate. This ensures your workspace remains a streamlined and efficient tool for your productivity. By the end of this setup, the organization should feel intuitive, providing a solid framework that adapts and grows with your workload. Following these guidelines will enhance the efficiency of your workspace, leaving you more time to focus on the substantive work you aim to accomplish. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these insights helpful as you get started organizing your spaces.